This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't wanna trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, we'll take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle, can't stand you. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's crypto and crypto, don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite
Wall Street.
Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying?
Wish I bought more.
Everybody buy it, goes up.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? You hit that like, you hit that subscribe. Every day we talk about crypto news. How's everybody doing today? It is Friday, finally, Friday. Get your coffee ready. Let's go. We're going to talk about the crypto news. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about how I've been pretty much on fire. I don't know if people are really paying attention. We've been doing some long videos. So it's been pretty rough, honestly. Let's get out of the way here. All right, so we did an AAVE. We did an AAVE video. We talked about AAVE would be a good buy at 211 and how it would not be a good buy at the current time. Well, we're hitting a double top here, starting to get some resistance. We'll see what happens, but we did talk up here while we were saying this was not a good buy. Please don't FOMO in. It came all the way down to the $202, excuse me. This is AAVE, if anyone's interested. Pretty big news because that bounce off the 50% was huge. As I said, that would be our last draw, and I showed you the bottom support. Well, we hit exactly there. Thought 211 would be a great buy. Well, it seems like it was a pretty good buy. Talk about the crypto news. My name is Wall Street Pete. If you're new to the channel, here we are. Pretty excited what's going on, right? What else do we have to talk about? Well, one of the biggest.
I've been checking out that Cardano, and this Web3 stuff is exciting to me.
Yeah, they got some cool claymations too.
Oh shit, that's my music.
Hey Snoop, it's Charles Hoskinson here. I'm trying to get in contact with you, man. Call me sometime.
Let's hook it up.
Hey champ, I've been checking out that
I thought that was pretty cool. Charles Hoskinson and Snoop and Champ, they're going to get together. They're going to meet up April 5th. Pretty cool. Now, Snoop Dogg collaborates with Cardano NFT project Claymates NFT. Pretty good news. Hit the like and subscribe. This is Wall Street Pete. Snoop Dogg's run of NFT collabs shows no signs of slowing down as he teams up with Claymates NFT project. His son, Cordell, a.k.a. Champ, is joining him on the drop, which will come on April 10th. They are now getting together to mark the NFT drop. Snoop Dogg and Champ will join a Twitter space with Claymates. The space will take place on April 5th at 6 p.m. UTC. Not to mention that Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson will also take part in the discussion. So I don't know. I was pretty excited about this news. I don't know if that's something that intrigues you, but we talked a little bit about some of these things here. Cardano. We talk about AAVE. We talk about, if you see here, Matic Polygon Algorand. Talked about Polkadot. Opolis, right? A lot of these tokens before they started moving. And you got to pay attention. The videos are quick. Sometimes they're a little too long. But if you pay attention, definitely to mention, you'll see maybe catch something like this. And this is what I want to show everyone. This was a scenario of a very long video for that to happen. So if you are now going to short Bitcoin, right? Right now the price is 47.4, right? All right, I'm shorting Bitcoin. It's going down from 47. All right. So what I want to say is that this was a scenario I was playing around with yesterday. This was exactly 24 hours ago, pretty much close to it. This video is a little earlier, but it's about 22 hours ago, right? Precisely. The price, I seen a double top formation. I seen a lot of tops here. We were due for a fall on this trend line. The trend is up, but we were due for a resistance. And I was giving you a scenario of what I'm going to do. Shorting, this is my personal side stuff. Then I long it and we go back up. I understand high volatile waves, right? But I wanted to give you the scenario. We did exactly this. Watch this. 44,074, right? This is what your thought is. This is what you're thinking. It's going to come down. Maybe you're right. Maybe you get this. I would close my position as soon as we get anywhere near the 46,000. If you see there's a 44,000 support level, that is not going to go past, okay? So right away, if I was shorting and I put a short position in, which I'd be. Now, that was yesterday. We were trading 47.2. Nobody was thinking, oh, wow, Wall Street, we're not going to go down that low. Yeah, we are. Some people even called it. Some people didn't. What happened? Well, I'm going to take a peek at what Wall Street Pete can do. What his TA can do, it's not really me. It's my technical analysis. And damn, ladies and gentlemen, 44,000, right where we put the line. Here is a nice bounce off support coming. I do believe that we will come back up now. So now we're going to have to come back and see if we can test this 47,000. Let's see what happens. That will truly get us back into the market, truly get us back into where we need to be. Relative strength index. Whoo! Relative strength is looking very sexy, Rexy to me. That's actually really nice. So. Wall Street Pete Sigdo in crypto. If you pay attention to that area right there, that is actually really, really strong. RSI level is ready to bounce high off the area where I said that was a 44,000 bounce right there. So pay attention to that. Look where we can possibly go. Back all the way through. And I do expect maybe an upward W that could take us to the 50,000. So we're going to have to find ways to hit that resistance to see if we could really do it. But so far, under the exponential moving average, if you see here, my Bollinger Bands are getting tight. We're coming in. It's going to look like the weekend is going to be a tough one. I get it. All right. So what I expect, and we're going to go into the weekend here. It's Friday. So Wall Street, Pete Sigdo, and crypto. No financial advice, right? Just a gentleman twice as nice. If you pay attention here as the Bollinger Bands are coming in, we may need the weekend to finish these candles, to come in, a little bit of this. And then coming into next week, the first week of April, because obviously it's April. No April Fools there, right? It's the first day. It actually is April Fool's. Nobody has time for the fools. Nobody has time for fooling around or jokes, right? Let's be real. So I know it's very early. This is the earliest I've ever done a video in a while, probably in the last 2 months. But this is important. Support. Big deal at that price. So we're building it. We have it. I'm really excited about that. I expect the weekend to play around in this realm here, in this range. So expect that to happen. Some of the other altcoins may go bananas, may go berserk because of it. We'll find out. Bitcoin AMI was riding beautifully up here, came down below the EMA. Now we're getting a tight band. What is going to happen? I think we're going to get a breakout to the upside. Remember, it's the weekend, so I don't have a really lot of confidence in the weekend because why? The weekends usually are bad. They're usually very bearish. But looking at some of the charts, looking at what we were talking about, right? Fibonacci sequence, I said 211 would be a fantastic buy. Do not buy up here as we were doing the video around the 235, 2-something level. As you see what happened exactly as I said happened. Now what do I expect from AAVE real quick as we go over these tokens and talk about them. We're going to get a little test here a couple times. We'll see what happens. That 240 is going to be a nightmare for AAVE people. If you're holding AAVE, it may be annoying for you. But I'm saying here is there's a little resistance coming right here, support/resistance at this 224 level. See if we can break above that even. Next candle is 59 minutes. This is a 4 hour, so each candle represents is 4 hours. But Snoop Dogg is jumping on Cardano. I'm kind of excited, so I wanted to get into that next. You already know it's a big deal with 3.75 APY. Passive income, and everyone loves passive income, so if Cardano could do that, that's great. But what I'm looking here is to break that 241. We'll see what happens. If we break the 241, we'll be talking about 298 level. We'll be talking about a possible support flip resistance here all the way back from October 29th, Halloween time frame. So we'll see what happens. This is AAVE. I would be taking profits at the 290 100% if I did have some money there. I'm not saying 100% of it. I was just saying like I would guaranteed be taking profits is what I'm saying. All right. Next token, we'll go do some Cardano. Since we're talking about Cardano, I did say in the video, just like AAVE, hey, I said 115 would be a good buy, right? Well, we bought a little bit. We're going to continue to buy more. As you can see, we're hovering and having a problem right now. What we want to be careful for, and what we always want to be careful for, is this. It's going to come back, give us some problems at 118.5, and then we're going to start doing double bottom M's, and then we're going to be playing that game again. So nobody wants to do that. Nobody wants to talk about that, but that could be a cup and handle formation coming. You could see something not so dramatic, maybe up to the top. It would end at 110. So I would say don't worry, don't flip out. We could do some technical analysis on this, and I could tell you where we could go without really having an issue. Let me see. This is the 4 hourly on TradingView if anyone's interested. I'm trying to pull some Fibonacci sequence. I do like this a lot. I trust this in crypto. It seems to work really good. I don't know why. I don't know why in crypto this is such a wonderful tool for me, but I'll tell you right now, this tool is amazing. I can't really tell you how great I love it. So 236, we definitely got the support here. It's showing right here. This 112 is definitely big time support. So if you pay attention, definitely to mention Wall Street Pete, please hit that like and subscribe. I watch some channels and I laugh because they don't give you this type of love and accuracy. And you know what's funny? They're like, give me 10,000 likes. 10,000 likes? I'm just trying to get 100. So it's crazy, but that's the world we live in, right? Wall Street Pete. Gentleman used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange in Manhattan. If you see here the support here, all the way from February 6, 2022. So you got to pay attention to that. There's definitely big support coming here. It's a big deal. If you want no ads, you pay $10 a month. I believe that's still the deal. But we're building it right here on Cardano now. So I'm kind of excited. Cup and handle came through, in and out, right? Will we continue this handle? I'm not sure, but usually a bullish momentum does come after the support level here. So I'm hoping while we're doing that, this is an inverted, and what we're going to get here, maybe this is what's going to give you a better understanding. I don't know how low we can go, but I do know that the 105 is super bullish. What that then would be doing is the weekend, right? I mean, this is what the weekend represents for me. Every time I get into the weekend, it sucks. This is a long-term frame. Obviously, it goes 18, 19 days. We're not talking about that. It's going to be much shorter. I'm talking about into the week here. So what we'll get, and if you want me to make it smaller, because that's not fair, right? I want to be precise. I don't want you to be confused. Something maybe like that. Maybe that's a little more. But the 38.2 is what I'm getting at. So 38.2, Fibonacci sequence. That is the 105, 106 price. I'm just changing colors. I usually do purple bottom support and top more resistance. So you get an understanding of what we're doing here. This is Cardano. What I think we could do with the handle could come all the way down to here on this handle. 105, 106, really. It's 106. I mean, if you want to get to the price a little more precise there, it's 106. So about 106, it looks like that seems to be the number, right? 105.89 if you see it better on your screen. This is Cardano ADA on TradingView. What I believe is there's something similar to this coming. I believe we can get this. So there would be one more fall, one more dip. It is the weekend. 44,000 on Bitcoin is what seems to have been the support that I already told you was coming before it happened. It's pretty cool. If you watch the beginning of this video, you'll see that's exactly what happened. So we were up here, 47.25. I was telling you we were trading right up here, and I said, well, I'm going to short this. And if I do short this, what am I going to do? I'm not going to go any lower than 44. I would close my short position. We made some money. We closed it. Should take a screenshot and show that, right? People like to see where your money, where your mouth is. But when I say it, I talk the talk, I walk the walk, right? So we did that. We knew that was most likely a big scenario here coming down once it broke the 46,000. So once it broke the 46,000, I knew it was coming. Here we are. Time to short the market. Don't like to do it, but there you go. Let's see what happens. See if we could develop the shoulder here, which is what this loop is right here into Bitcoin. Then would find a nice shoulder. This would be it. Come through, come back up, test again. What would happen is the altcoins would then go back up. That would then create another cup and handle into the upward momentum. Before you know it, we'll be talking about Cardano hitting $1.40. So I can't wait for that. I'm kind of excited. You won't believe how fast it's going to come, how fast it's going to happen. But I'm telling you right now, this is one of the levels up to the top. I'm looking for 140 Cardano coming pretty soon, the way these things are moving with the APY. And now Snoop Dogg talking about NFT collaboration with the Claymates. I think that's pretty cool. So I'm excited about that. I hope you are too. I'm Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, Do your own research. It's very important. I'm just a gentleman who used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange here. This is one of the buildings I worked in. As you can see, there's no windows. We worked in the building after 9/11. This is probably a picture taken in 2005. 2005, after the 2001 9/11, you can see there's no windows. You can't really tell what's coming in, what's going out, if it's raining, if it's snowing, if it's daytime, if it's nighttime. It's wild, and obviously for reasons why there's numbers and commodities, coffee, cotton, sugar, natural gas, heated oil, all those things, heated unleaded, excuse me. It's insane. So you have to understand the world we lived in. Everyone was screaming. It's open outcry pit. It's one person to another screaming, yelling back and forth, creating a market. Multiple people. As you're just hitting your button on your phone, it just blows my mind how we've come from here. I don't know what else to say. I'm kind of baffled the way we live today in the digital world and how everybody is just so damn jaded. Well, my name's Wall Street Pete. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Try to do another video if I can as soon as possible. The weekend, I am a family man, so we do usually spend some time with the family on the weekends. But I hope you have a good time. And listen up. If we do get some crazy momentum, well, we're going to come live regardless, whether it's on my phone, whatever we can. So if you hit the like and subscribe and hit the bell button and hit the all, you'll get these notifications. It's good to do an early morning private video without getting interrupted and asked about a bunch of assets, which one is doing this or that. We have to find out what Bitcoin's doing, right? So if Bitcoin can go sideways action, we will get these altcoins to spring loose, which I think is coming. And then after that, they may relax a little bit, and Bitcoin may splurge back up to the 48, 50,000. But right now, remember, we had a nice pop to the upside. Gains were taking out. And what also happened? Well, people were able to split their Bitcoin profits into the altcoin market. Understand that's what they do. So I'm trying to educate you a little bit in the crypto space. I'm not the most intelligent man in the world, but I do understand. I'm really starting to understand how this works to the T. So every day we do a video for you. I'm Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. This is the gentleman who used to work there. I love this place. I miss this place so much. It's now the Van Gogh Museum. Have a great night. Have a great day. It's Friday. We're gonna have a good day. La-dee-da-da. Yeah. Hit that like and subscribe, baby, because we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. And damn, we're going soon.